Your home might be making you sick, and you don't even realize it. The air inside your house can be filled with invisible toxins, dust, and chemicals that slowly affect your health, sleep, and mood. But what if the solution wasn't expensive gadgets or air purifiers? What if nature already had the answer? In today's video, we're revealing 5 powerful indoor plants that don't just decorate your home. They actively improve your health, clean your air, and boost your well-being. These plants are easy to care for, beginner-friendly, and scientifically proven to make a difference. Stay until the end, because the last plant might completely transform how you sleep at night. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it plant, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This plant is a powerhouse when it comes to improving your indoor environment. Unlike most plants, the snake plant releases oxygen at night. That means while you're sleeping, it's quietly working to improve air quality in your bedroom. Cleaner air can lead to better sleep, fewer headaches, and even improved focus the next day. It's also known for filtering harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, chemicals commonly found in furniture, cleaning products, and even some fabrics. Over time, reducing exposure to these toxins can make a noticeable difference in your overall health. Another reason this plant is so popular: it's nearly impossible to kill. It thrives in low light, doesn't need frequent watering, and adapts to almost any indoor environment. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large home, this plant fits right in. If you're just starting your indoor plant journey, this is the one to get first. Place it in your bedroom or living room, and let it quietly upgrade your air quality while you go about your day. 2. Aloe vera. The aloe vera is more than just a plant. It's like having a natural medicine cabinet right in your home. Known for its thick gel-filled leaves, aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing properties. One of its biggest health benefits is its ability to help remove toxins from the air. It absorbs harmful chemicals commonly found in cleaning products and releases fresh oxygen, helping create a healthier indoor environment. But what makes aloe vera truly special is what's inside its leaves. The gel can be used to soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritation. Got a minor kitchen burn? Simply break off a leaf and apply the gel directly. It's natural, effective, and always within reach. Aloe vera also acts as a subtle air quality indicator. If there are too many toxins in your home, it may develop brown spots on its leaves, giving you a visual warning that something needs to change. Caring for aloe vera is simple. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and only needs occasional watering. In fact, overwatering is the most common mistake people make. Place it near a sunny window in your kitchen or living room, and you'll have both a decorative plant and a practical health booster working for you every day. 3. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the most adaptable and forgiving indoor plants you can own. With its long, arching leaves and small baby offshoots, it adds a fresh, lively touch to any space. But beyond its looks, the spider plant is incredibly effective at improving air quality. It's known for absorbing carbon monoxide and other pollutants, making the air in your home safer to breathe. This can be especially beneficial in urban environments or homes with limited ventilation. One of the best things about this plant is how easy it is to grow. It tolerates a wide range of conditions, from low light to bright indirect light, and doesn't require constant attention. Even if you forget to water it occasionally, it bounces back quickly. It's also one of the safest plants for households with pets and children. Unlike many houseplants, it's non-toxic, giving you peace of mind while still enjoying its benefits. Another fun feature: the spider plant produces babies or small offshoots that you can propagate and grow into new plants. It's like getting endless plants from just one. Place it on a shelf or in a hanging basket and watch it thrive while quietly cleaning your air and enhancing your home. 4. Areca palm. The Areca palm is like bringing a piece of the tropics into your home, but it does much more than just look beautiful. This plant is known as a natural humidifier, making it especially useful in dry indoor environments. Dry air can cause a range of problems, from irritated skin and dry eyes to breathing discomfort. The Areca palm helps combat this by releasing moisture into the air, creating a more comfortable and healthier living space. It's also effective at filtering airborne toxins, helping to improve overall air quality. Combined with its humidity-boosting ability, it creates a fresher, more breathable environment, perfect for living rooms or offices. Visually, the Areca palm makes a statement. Its feathery arching fronds add a sense of calm and relaxation, instantly making any room feel more inviting. It's the kind of plant that transforms a space from ordinary to vibrant. Caring for it is fairly simple. It prefers bright, indirect light and regular watering to keep the soil slightly moist. With the right care, it can grow quite large, becoming a stunning centerpiece in your home. If you want a plant that improves both your health and your home's aesthetic, the Areca palm is an excellent choice. 5. Peace lily. The peace lily is one of the most elegant indoor plants you can own, and it's also one of the most powerful when it comes to improving air quality. This plant is especially known for its ability to filter mold spores and harmful toxins from the air. If you live in a humid environment or struggle with indoor allergens, the peace lily can make a noticeable difference. Its beautiful white blooms add a touch of sophistication to any room, making it both a decorative and functional addition to your home. It's perfect for spaces like bedrooms, bathrooms, or shaded corners where other plants might struggle. Another benefit is its ability to slightly increase humidity, which can help reduce dryness in the air and make breathing more comfortable. Caring for a peace lily is straightforward. It thrives in low to medium light and only needs watering when the soil feels dry. In fact, it will gently tell you when it needs water by drooping its leaves, making it easy to care for even if you're a beginner. With its combination of beauty and powerful air-cleaning properties, the peace lily is a must-have for anyone looking to create a healthier home. So there you have it, 5 incredible indoor plants that don't just sit there looking pretty. They actively improve your health, clean your air, and transform your living space. If you're serious about creating a healthier home, start with just 1 or 2 of these plants and build from there. You'll be surprised at the difference they can make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more plant tips that can change your home and your life. And tell me in the comments, which of these plants are you adding to your home first?